Hey, welcome to the Dana Michael Show. I'm Dane Mori, and hey, what are you doing here? I'm giving them an informational video to tell them.
Yeah. Forgot about that. So, anyways, I'm your host, Michael Honey, and this is Dane Mori.
Yeah, and well, what we're gonna do now is for entertainment purposes for you guys. Sometimes I'm at his house, and usually when we have to do something productive, but we don't feel like doing that.
No, why would we help our grades? It's usually like a project or something.
Yeah. Sometimes we'll get kind of bored and we'll think of something that's funny, and we kind of it's just like random.
Just whatever's on our mind. It doesn't have to be what the actual Dana Michael Show is.
Yeah, so what we're going to call these is the Dana Michael Shorts. But don't worry, Dana Michael Show is going to be coming. Our next episode should be coming up soon
Saturday
with our special guest,
Sir Laugh-A-Lot.
Jesus Christ, his laugh is so obnoxious.
You just wait.
Okay, just to get this off our chest now.
Just watch.
His laugh. This is gonna be his true laugh. His laugh is like so obnoxious. It's crazy. Today we made him laugh, and he fucking kicked over a trash can.
Yeah.
Just bam, kicked.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah. Just
whatever. So just enjoy our Dana Michael Shorts. I'm Dane.
I'm once again Michael Honey, sexiest guy in the world, and
dude, that's my thing. I'm the most attractive.
Oh my god, I'm the sexiest. You're the most attractive.
Yeah. Oh, that really hurt. Dude, turn it off.
Technical difficulties.